see if I can beat you at this stacking challenge, Weston.
Is this Team Orange or what?
No.
How many was that?
5.
Okay.
Always my record.
Yeah. I'm not very good at stacking. Not very good at stacking, guys. Nah. That's just upsetting to the audience. Hold on, I want to try it again. I'm kind of...
1, 2.
That's my practice round. I suck at this. I don't want to do it again.
No, it's fine. We have to take turns.
Not think
4. Okay.
I'll stop there. I did 2 practice rounds. All right. Your turn.
Oh.
Next, day 2. Right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is invincible.
Oh,
I think I'm gonna lose this. I'm gonna lose this. Right. It's me. I'm not very good at stacking. So, I'm gonna cheat.
No, you're not gonna cheat.
I don't know. It's gonna be a practice.
No.
Okay. All right.
3.
Wait.
You landed it.
Oh my God.
Trick shot. Trick shot with Dominoes.
4, 5. That's better.
Pretty good. My record's
That's pretty
7.
good. All
My
right.
record's 7. Okay. So West. Okay.
Day 3.
1. My hands are shaking because my record's 7.
What's my record? 6?
No, 5.
I thought it was 6. No, you remember it was 6?
Oh, 5.
No, that was actually, my record's 6, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think it was sure.
So, Weston, how is... So, here, I'm going to put these over for you.
All right.
And...
Day 3. I'm going to kind of...
Well, it's still day 3. 1.
Can I try again? I'm not a talent person. Wait, I just want to show everyone before we leave again. Wait, I don't know. I pushed that.
Yeah, I know.
Anyways, maybe I can do a little talent. I don't know. It's something like this.
I'm trying to break this. I can't.
Is this good?
Yeah.
A good talent trick. Maybe people want to.
Hey, I showed you that trick.
Alright.
I should get the credit for that.
I will.
Let's fight.